How to review your comments on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your comments on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click activity log, and here you will find interactions. Click on it and now just click comments, and as you see here you can review all your comments on Facebook Lite, and that's how to review it, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.